Fox 10 News.
I reached out to Mesa Police again today. We did not get an update, but I do want to show you what we're talking about. Over my shoulder is Maria's house, and then to the right of her house is the porch where she was shot. Remember, hours after the shooting Saturday, we saw a repairman out there removing what looked like a Ring camera and removing tile that had her blood on it. I reached out to experts to get a better understanding of this investigation. 4 days after Maria Lewis was shot by a neighbor in Mesa, her 7 children and husband are still in the dark about what happened. A friend telling me Monday.
You shouldn't have to feel like you can't go out to your neighborhood and just have a brief walk and feel like you're going to have to look over your shoulder and get shot.
We have yet to receive an official account of what happened around 2 Saturday morning. Mesa police confirming Maria's neighbor, Dulance Morin, a law enforcement investigator working under Arizona Attorney General Chris Mays, is involved, but not saying how.
Ultimately, a lot of people in the public are wondering what's going on. Is this a cover-up, or is this truly a right investigation under the law?
Under Arizona's Stand Your Ground law, a person is allowed to use force, even deadly force, if they reasonably believe force is necessary to stop a threat. But even then, Stand Your Ground cases are not black and white.
Her being on his property could be one factor of that decision, but whether that decision was justified or not is more complex.
I asked law enforcement expert Josh Logan if we should read into the quick removal of the blood-stained stones and camera. He said once the crime scene is processed, it's the homeowner's duty to clean it up. As for how long it will take Mesa police departments to conclude the investigation.
You know, looking at this case from just looking on Facebook and you know, in social media, it's a very high profile case. And because of that, typically you look at the higher the profile of the case, the less information they're going to release until they have 100% definitive nature of that.
The AG's office confirms Dulance Morin is on administrative leave, his law enforcement status potentially triggering a criminal and administrative investigation. But I'm told qualified immunity doesn't apply here because the shooting didn't take place while Morin was on duty.
The public wants transparency, and that's what the community wants. That's what the victim's family wants.
And so we wait, and we will continue to reach out to Mesa PD every day until we get an update in the facts in this case. Meantime, I was told that the husband of Maria didn't want to talk today. He is celebrating his daughter's birthday. The family has set up a GoFundMe page if you would like to help them and donate. In Mesa, Ashley Rodriguez, Fox 10 News.